So now for tax refund. So punta tayo other compensation, click new, date, compensation is tax refund. Where's the tax refund? Yun, tax refund. Tapos description, tax refund 2024. Ganoon lang din. Lagay natin account name, ay account number, employee name. Click na lang tayo ng data dito. Sample, ito na lang. Kuha lang tayo ng sample lang na data. Ayan. Lagay natin. So, pero yung lalagyan natin ng amount, pag tax refund is itong tax withheld. Oops, ayaw mag-paste. Wait lang. Copy. Yun. So, ang lalagyan natin is yung tax withheld. Pag tax refund hindi yung amount ang lalagyan natin. Tax refund. Okay? Kasi itong tax refund, ang amount na nandito, ang babawasan niya naman is yung tax withheld natin. Now, mapapansin nyo, nung pinili ko yung tax refund, automatic siya naging order of payment. Pag pumila ko ng iba, tayo nyo, regular siya ulit. So, automatic na si tax refund is negative or order of payment or gagawin niyang negative. Okay? So, no need na i-click natin to. Automatic na yan. Then, huwag natin gagawin tong negative. If gusto nyo namang gawin tong negative, sa encoding pa lang, dapat palitan nyo to. Dapat naka-regular tayo. So, ganun lang. Okay?